Hey there, folks! Today, I'm bringing you a recipe for a simply irresistible summer dessert. It's super refreshing and will delight your taste buds and your eyes. Broken glass jelly pudding. Interested? Well then, stick with me. In a saucepan, mix the first fruit juice with water. Add the sugar and agar-agar to the juice and water mixture. Stir well to ensure the agar-agar completely dissolves. Bring the mixture to medium heat and stir constantly until it starts to boil. Now, reduce the heat and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously, until the liquid thickens. Remove from heat and transfer our mixture to jelly molds or a glass container. We're going to cut our jelly into little cubes, so rectangular molds work best. Let the jelly cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes, and then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. You should repeat this process for the other 2 colorful jelly flavors, and when everything is set, cut the jellies into cubes. Now, let's prepare our white jelly, which will add that extra charm to our dessert. First, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and agar-agar and bring to low heat, cooking for 3 minutes without stopping stirring. It's ready. Let's assemble our dessert then. In a glass dish, mix the jelly cubes, and then add the white jelly. Refrigerate until firm and you're all set. You can decorate with mint leaves before serving if you like the look. This jelly is perfect for hot summer days and will surprise everyone with its vibrant colors and refreshing flavors. Have fun making and savoring this delicious dessert. Fantastic, right? So now, show some love for our work by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with all your vegan pals. A little kiss from Julie, and until next time.